Hello and welcome to the course on bare metal embedded programming with Atmega 328 microcontroller. I am Aravinda Verma, your instructor for the course. The development environment has the three components. First, the development platform. Second, the tools and utilities. And the third, development board. The development platform is the PC and the operating system which hosts the utilities and tools to develop the embedded code and build it. The tools and utilities include the different open source program to compile the source files and flash the binary image onto the microcontroller. The development board includes the target microcontroller and the related circuitry on which the embedded software runs. It also includes the USB to serial adapter and the in-circuit programmer which is used to program the on-chip memory. For the development purposes, you can use a desktop or a laptop running either Windows or Linux operating system. I would recommend using a PC with decent hardware configuration, and it must have a free USB port. I shall explain the setup of the development environment for both the operating systems. For Windows operating system, I shall use 8.1 Pro version. However, you are free to use any other version of Windows operating system. For Linux, I shall use Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. You can use other distributions of Linux like Fedora or SUSE. There might be variation in command to set up the tools and utilities, but the process is the same. Irrespective of the operating system, the tools used and the steps followed for the compilation of code and flashing the microcontroller are the same. So feel free to select the operating system of your choice. The source files are built and processed using the compiler toolchain. There are several tools in the GNU compiler toolchain, and we shall use the GNU C compiler, object copy, and object dump from the tool set. The AVR GNU C compiler is used to compile the C and assembly source files into object files. It also links all the object files and generates an executable binary image in ELF file format. The object copy tool is used to translate the executable image in Intel hex file format, which is used to program the flash memory. And the object dump tool is used to analyze compiled binary images by disassembling it into human readable assembly instructions. We shall look into these tools in more detail while we explore the build process. The GNU Make is used to automate the build process. It saves us from remembering and typing long and complex commands every time we build our software project. The tools like AVR GCC, AVR Object Dump, and AVR Object Copy will be used in MakeScript to automate the generation of various file types. The AVR programmer, AVR Dude, is used to flash the AVR microcontrollers. Again, this tool is used in the MakeScript to automate the flashing step. We shall use Terminal Emulator to communicate with the program running on the microcontroller from the development PC and vice versa. TerraTerm and Screen are terminal emulators used on Windows and Linux respectively. I hope you must have enjoyed the lesson and learned something new. Thank you and have fun learning.